Hi, it's Ranald here from Woodies Scrap Box, raising home vibrations. I previously did this, the lighting wasn't right, and so I'll try again. It's just about cleaning the sink if you're having an inspection, like open house inspection, or to get a refund from your rent when you're leaving or whatever. Yeah, first of all I'll clean up all this stuff here. This is the product I really like for doing this job. I don't get any kickback from this mob, it's just I found it was really good. And I just use a commercial cleaning cloth, but you can use any old chucks or whatever you have. So I'll just clean up this bit of a mess here that was left over before the kids went out. I put most of the dishes away. The Milo and pizzas can make a bit of a mess. Anyway, I'll be back shortly. I'm back again. I use one of these cloths, just the cheap disposable ones, for just giving a quick clean. This is a chopping block I made. I'm watching another episode how to make a nice little chopping block for your kitchen. It's really good for steak or veggies or whatever. This one, as you can see, is really well worn. Just needs a light sand now and a spray with some olive oil. I prefer the extra virgin olive oil, but you can use pretty well any oil that you like. Anyway, on with the job. Let's get rid of this stuff from the As you can see, it's not all that dirty today, but you know, if we were having a home inspection, that's way too grotty, and I like to have it pretty reasonable. Don't like a lot of clutter and gunk around. Give it a quick wipe first of all with one of these sponges, which gets rid of most of the grime. Of course, when I'm tank water, I don't like to use too much water I don't like to waste it. You still need to use it. Okay, we'll put these aside for a moment. And it's very easy to apply this. I'll just flick that around to make sure you can actually see what I'm doing. Yeah, so you just squirt it on like so, and all these gunky marks will come out pretty quickly. I've tried other products and they just don't match up to this. A little bit of elbow grease. Even polishes the chrome or stainless steel tapware. Helped if I sprayed that before. Doesn't need much spray, just a little bit of spray. If you find this is too mundane, we'll just tune into another exciting episode. is the end result. Not like brand new, but good enough for an open house or a real estate inspection. Thank you for watching Woodies Scrap Box, raising home vibrations. Please tune into any other of my videos that you may be interested in. Some of them are mundane to some people. Just flick over those. Sometimes there's little snippets in there that might suit people. Cheers, have a good day.